In this video, we will show you the workflow from a configured Data Fusion application to the integration and the execution of Data Fusion in ROS. I already prepared a sensor setup with 2 radar sensors and the front camera. And now in the Data Fusion Designer, we only have to click the Generate Data Fusion button. When we do so, the Data Fusion code is generated, and also some interop code, which is needed to integrate our Data Fusion into a C environment, such as, for example, the ROS environment. The generated interop code can be found in the assembly folder of your Data Fusion project. There you find this interop folder, which contains C files and header files for our Data Fusion. In the Data Fusion header, you find definitions for the data structures. For example, for the radar data, it's the radar space. I scrolled a little bit down in the header file, and at the end you find the methods you need to run the Data Fusion. For example, for the front radar, you have a process method, which takes the time of the measurement and the measurement as input parameters. Now all you have to do is set up a ROS node which uses these functions. I already set up a ROS node and defined the ROS messages. In the code of the ROS node, we subscribe to those messages. For example, for the radar measurements, you can find it here. These are called front radar targets. And we set up a process method, which you can see here. And in this method, we copy the data from the ROS message to the structures which are defined in the Data Fusion header we've seen before. And we call the process method of our Data Fusion, which was also shown in the Data Fusion header. So now all you have to do is build your ROS node project and the Data Fusion project, and we can run our Data Fusion in ROS. Therefore, we have to start the ROS call. Then we have to start our Data Fusion node. We start some visualization tool. And we play some measurement data. Thank you for your attention.